What's up, guys? Today we're here live in Waco, Texas. We're here at Lloyd Trailer Company, and we're here to talk a little bit about how did Lloyd Trailer Company come to be?
Okay, good question. So Lloyd Trailer Company started back in 2014.
Okay.
My parents owned a Ford dealership at the time that they had had for probably 30 plus years.
Oh, wow.
The car industry has changed a lot over the years. Wasn't ready to be done, but that wasn't kind of bringing him that joy that he had selling the cars. He and my mom were on a trip in Colorado, and they were visiting one of their friends that was a trailer dealer, still is at the time.
Okay.
And walking around his dealership and yard, and Dad saw these at the time. Diamond C was doing the smaller utility trailers.
Yeah.
And thought, oh man, that's a really great looking trailer. And kind of started visiting with that gentleman about the trailer industry and a few things, and he kind of encouraged him to give it a shot. When he got back to Texas and back home, he and my mom had kind of talked about it and kind of thought, what the heck, we've already got the building, we already have this space. Was it going to hurt to maybe attempt to dive into this sort of thing?
Now, was that in Waco?
So that was in Itasca
Okay.
at the time, about 25 miles north of here,
Okay.
a small town, about 1,500, where we were all kind of born and raised and grew up.
Nice.
And that dealership had done phenomenal. My parents, extremely blessed, ran a wonderful store, but we're not ready and too young to retire and be done. And I don't know that my
Gotcha.
folks will ever be done. You know, that's one of the blessings about all of this. Even this industry, the trailer industry, was a little different back then.
Yeah.
It wasn't so much being picked or called upon. My dad drove up to Diamond C and actually met with the Crabs at the time and knew nothing really of the trailer industry, and they were willing to give him a shot. And then, crazy enough, Jacob put together a couple of loads for him and ultimately delivered those first few loads to him, going way back.
Nice.
Yeah.
First load from the trailer nerd.
You got it. Yes.
Nice. I like that. Lanita, what are some of the things that you carry from Diamond C?
Sure, great question, Cade. In the Diamond C line, we like to carry the bigger, badder, better trailers. We feel like they build a phenomenal trailer, head and shoulders above everyone else in the industry. We really try to keep in our yard a trailer that caters to the person that is using it, using it hard, hauling heavy equipment, running it every day. We really love at our core, I call it the worker, the person that needs that trailer to get the job done for their paycheck. And we want to be have a service for them. We want to have the trailers that they need. I want to have a parts department that is stocked with the parts that they need. And then we also, of course, have the service department to keep them going or handle any sort of warranty issues or things of that nature that might come up. But that, I would say, would be kind of our core customer, the ones that keep us going. My favorite customers are the ones that come in and maybe they've just started a business, and we have the opportunity to have earned the opportunity to sell them that first trailer for whatever that business need is, whether it is a dump trailer or an F-Max trailer or even a tilt trailer to hold a piece of equipment. And then encouraging them of how excited that we are, and we are truly. I mean, we're entrepreneurs at heart here as Lloyd's, and how excited we are that they are beginning this venture and that we have a part in it. And then when a few months or a couple of years down the road and they come back and they're adding to that trailer or maybe that fleet of trailers and they come to us for that because we've earned their trust over that time, it is one of really the most fulfilling things to be able to do, to know that we're a part of their growth and their success.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's cool. So if you're looking to start your own business, or if you're just looking to upgrade and you're in the Waco area, come by and see Lanita and her team here at Lloyd Trailer Company.